Hello and welcome to DataZoom. This is a tutorial on using DataZoom census package. As an example, we'll install 2010 census package. Besides Data's 12th or newer version, you need the original microdata files. In the tab that reads Population, click on 2010 Census. Now click on Results of the Sample, and then General Results of the Sample. Finally, in the left-hand side of the page, click on Microdata. As you may notice, there is a zip file for each state. Download the files of the states of your interest. Here we will download Rondônia and Acre. In this tutorial, this is the folder where the files were saved. When unzipping each file, you can notice that microdata are in different folders. The next step is to save all original microdata in the same folder. In this tutorial, this folder is the same as that one where all compressed files were saved. Having done that, open Stata and type db datazoom_censo on the command window. Select the years in which you're interested. In this example, we'll select 2010 only, but you can select additional years as long as the microdata pertaining those years are in the same folder. Now we have to indicate Stata where the original microdata are. Click on Data, and you can type the folder's address or click on Search to select the folder. If you choose to select it, click on OK and then OK once again. Now you should indicate where you like to save the database that is to be created by the program. Click on Saving and again type or select the folder's address. The next step is to indicate the type of register, people, households, or both. If you choose both household and people, the program will merge both files and will generate a separate database. In case you're interested in obtaining a standardized database, activate option Compatibility. For more information on the standardizing option, access the program's help file or see Standardizing the Demographic Censuses on DataZoom's website. Finally, select the states in which you're interested. Click Submit in case you want to maintain the dialog box open for a new command. Click OK otherwise. Depending on the computer's capacity and on the number of censuses and states you have chosen, it may take a while for the program to finish generating the databases. The folder whose address you inserted in saving is a folder currently in use by Stata, and it is indicated here on the bottom left corner. You may notice that there is a database now open. If we use the Command tab, we can see that the state code is 12, which corresponds to Acre, the last state we chose. Now, let's append the database that was generated by the program for Rondônia using the command append. If we use the Command tab, now what we'll see is a database with 2 states. Repeat this operation in case you like additional states in your database. You can obtain more information on the variety of options through the program's help file. In order to access its help file, click on the question mark located in the bottom left corner of the dialog box or type help datazoom_censo. Pay special attention to a section named Note about the original data. It has solved many difficulties already encountered by users. For auxiliary files such as a dictionary of standardized variables, see the page dedicated to the census on our website. Finally, send an email to datazoom at econ.puc-rio.br for errors, questions, comments, and suggestions. Thank you.